Today, work doesn't come from offices, it comes from anywhere. Your hands, your laptop, your skills. That's all you need. 247 Tasker is where freelancers, doers, and creators turn their talent into real income on their terms. Prefer working from your laptop? We've got you. Good with tools or your hands? We've got you too. Remote or on-site, your gigs, your way. From tech support and HVAC repairs to video editing and social media management, your skills are in demand and we help you get discovered. Create your profile, list your services, and get hired for the work that fits your life. No fluff, just real opportunities. Build your income. Grow your network. Be your own boss with real clients across the world. Multiple professionals are joining 247 Tasker every day. Are you next? 247tasker.com. Your skills, your work, your way.